was the biggest thing for me, just feeling so accepted in the course, and like who I was okay. And one, the way the course was set up with the different archetypes, and then two, with you as the coach, because you kept reinforcing, like, you don't have to do this perfectly. You don't have to, you can show up to a call without having fully read everything and completed all the exercise. Like, let it soak in, and you can do things your way. You can be the kind of rich woman that you want to be. And that's not what a lot of people are saying. There's so many coaches out there saying there's a lot of fear tactics. There's a lot of, here's the way you need to do it. And if you don't do it this way, then you're going to fail. Or if you don't, you don't want it bad enough or something, and it was very shaming. And I really internalized a lot of that. So to come into this group and to just feel like I heard you, but it took a while for it to sink in. Like, I can be my weird neurodivergent, like colorful, crazy self. And like, that's cool. Like, that's what my ideal client will be drawn to. And when I try to mask and try to be what I think I was told by these other people that I have to be to make money, yeah, it just, I can't even fake it. It's just so not me. And so feeling accepted and really getting the message, like, you don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be perfectly organized. You don't have to do everything perfectly. And you can be the kind of woman you want to be and make money. That meant a lot. I really appreciate it.
So I'd love to invite you to be one of our next inspiring case studies as well. So check out SMA. I hope you come and join us, and it's your time and you're ready for the next step.